You're an Apple TV fan with Android phone? Good news! The streaming giant is bringing Google Cast support to its native Android app, making it easier than ever to binge your favorite shows straight from your smartphone to your TV. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Just months after Apple launched the dedicated Android app in February 2025, this update dropped signaling that the company is serious about wooing viewers outside its own ecosystem. Now with Google's integration, switching screens is smoother, even mid-episode. No more awkward pauses, fiddling with settings, or trying to find workarounds. Android users can now enjoy Apple originals and blockbuster hits on the big screen with the tap of a finger. Apple's going for a different strategy compared to streaming rival Netflix, which recently ended Google Cast support for most of its platform, while Netflix is retreating from cross-device convenience. Apple is doubling down, making the experience as frictionless as possible for Android users. Industry experts say this update could give Apple TV a serious edge in attracting Android subscribers who previously hesitated to join the platform. For Apple, every new feature brings its service to other ecosystems, which means more eyes on its content and more reason for users to stay loyal. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or just dipping a toe into Apple TV on Android, the addition of Google Cast is a game changer. It's going to transform how viewers watch, binge, and share their favorite shows. Are you already using Apple TV? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.